Today, me and Exploding Twisting are doing a random vehicle flood escape challenge. The rules are simple. You randomize your car and race it against the flood. But we also do a secret fast round at the end. So stay tuned to see who wins that, and let's get into it. Okay, I'm going to randomize mine. You've already done yours. So let's see what I'm going to get. A van.
What in the bumperclap?
Okay, well this is lovely.
What in the bumperclap will I eat, bro?
You're speaking words, but I'm not understanding any of them.
A bumperclap will I eat, bro?
Okay, I'm going to start the flood. The winner is whoever can get the furthest. We'll just pull up to here. So, 3, 2, 1, go! The flood has begun.
Alright, just speed. I'm going in first person.
Oh, brave. To be fair, this van's got a bit of pickup to it. Whoa. I can see that. Okay, let's go on here.
This is actually a stylish car on the inside.
I'm good. Oh, come on. Okay. We're gonna go hood cam. We're gonna go. Well, let's get serious here. We're gonna go hood cams. Yeah. I'm gonna get you. Kicking up some dust there.
How fast am I going on my speedometer? I can't see due to the lighting.
Well, I know something. You're getting away from me. I'm good. I'm making noises, weird around.
I just drifted.
I saw a bit of tire smoke coming up, so that's. I believe you.
If only BeamNG had working window wipers.
I mean, we don't have rain, so.
They should do that for like the next update or something like that.
Put it in the suggestion box.
Yeah, I will. Well, I'll first make sure that the suggestion box is not the shredder.
That is true. Oh, this van understeers a bit. Hey, I'm catching up to you. I'm catching up to you.
Just like our house number 2. Yes.
Oh, yes. Do you know what kind of matching speeds a bit? You are a bit slidey there, I can see.
Just put some like Eurobeat in the background, like Subway Surfers at the top. We need to keep our viewers engaged.
So what I'll have a mukbang at the top. I'll have lo-fi beats. I'll have Subway Surfers. I'll have a hydraulic press video. It's gonna be great.
Yes. But make sure you also have Eurobeat in the background.
We gotta keep the people hooked and engaged. I'm power sliding. Whoa!
That's crazy, bro.
Your hubcap just flew in the air. I just ran over one of your hubcaps.
Wait, you behind me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. I'm right behind you. I've got 4-wheel drive.
Look at this stupid bumperclap scheiße.
What are you talking about, actually? I flipped. Go on, nodes. There we go. My door came off.
What me, bro?
Excuse me, coming through. Oh my god. I'm not sure if that's
Go.
That sounded like the internet was dying.
It's tickling me bum.
What are you talking about? Seriously.
It's tickling me bum.
Go. Oh no, it flattens out here. We're screwed. We are screwed.
Me bumperclap.
Go for the shortcut. Go!
I'm dead.
Go! Please! Nah!
Did Bro just drive into it?
I understood, okay? I understood. Well, I won that round, so that's 1 point to all gifted Beamer right there.
The gifted Beamer.
What do you mean ungifted Beamer? What are you... Beamer?
No,
Beamer.
no, I got an ambulance.
What? Wait, what? Let's see. Oh. I think you can mulligan on that one. I think that's fair
Yeah,
enough.
I am. I'll take the Lansdale.
Oh, yeah, the Lansdale Sport, I'm pretty sure. Let's see what I get. No, I'm mulliganing. I don't even care. I'm not going to be the cheese. Ooh, hang on a second. This has a cool paint job.
Okay.
Maybe the paint job will maybe go faster, like go faster strike, but it's actually flames.
Okay, I'm ready.
Well, command goes in. I'm just gonna copy it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
I missed.
What do you mean you missed?
Me status missed.
Yeah, power! Hell yeah, brother! Ow! I spun. Okay, you got the mom. You got like the soccer mom brand. You can't say anything. I feel like I can't say I don't think I can say. I feel like I can't say soccer mom, but without the American accent. Has to be like soccer mom. You know? Otherwise, it doesn't feel right.
Soccer mom.
The mom van. Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually football. It's football.
It is a football mum, actually. If you did not know, it is a football mum. Not a soccer mom, it's a football. Oh, I'm losing control. That was behind you. Lightning McQueen, I crash.
Lightning McQueen, yes.
Lightning McQueen
Are you
here.
lightning?
Oh!
Because you're McQueen.
That is the worst word. The worst word. I spun out. No, no,
Are
no.
you a bridge?
Don't finish that. I feel like something inappropriate is going to be said, so just don't finish that sentence.
Are you a fridge? Because redacted.
Because redacted, yes. Are you redacted? Because I want to redact.
What?
Why are we redacting anything? This is not the files. If you know what I
Oh,
mean.
you bumble crap.
Okay, let's just stop. I'm gonna stop there. Move! Sorry!
You bumble crap.
I wasn't even trying. Oh god, we're cooked. We are cooked. We're even more cooked than we were last time.
You are, I'm not.
Nah, I can catch up to you easily. It's just, you keep getting in the way. Here I come, I already am catching up to you. Come on. Give me some room. I need more points. I'm not letting you even out the score. Oh no. Excuse me, coming through. No, I did it again! Ugh. Go! Every time I overtake you, I spin out. It's embarrassing, actually. Let's go off the road. Done this bit before. Your bumper came off. Coming through. No, bro, you broke me. You broke my car. Okay, fine. Second point goes to Mr. Exploding Dwisden. I got the Dune kicker. 3, 2, 1, go! Dune kicker. Okay, this is gonna be really uncontrollable. Yeah, like I said. Come on, go. Oh, he's long gone. Okay, clip cam.
Should we do our car hunting vehicles after this?
Yeah, why not? Let's do the car music.
That's a tree.
Let's do it. This is not what I should do. I'm not dying, I promise you. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I have died.
Yeah.
Well, that's me done. 2, 1, go! Go! Yeah. We're gonna go interior cam, why not? Spice things up. Whoa, okay, overtake on the outside. Got another smoke screen.
Yeah, because I'm crazy.
I know you are.
My car is crazy like me. You bummer! You bummer!
What happened? Did I put you in a dream?
Yeah, you literally like smashed me into a tree.
Ah! I spun. I fell. It's fine.
Just teleport back on.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on, what is happening? This isn't actually
I am speed.
I am also speed, but I need to catch up. Go. Speed.
Let's go. Come on. Come on, you bummer.
Second. I need it.
I'm on the mountain.
Oh, you just reset.
Oh, what is it?
Right. Catch up, catch up, catch up, catch up, catch up. You are bouncing a lot. Oil pan leaking. That's fine, we don't need oil
I could
pans
probably
all
use
over.
this as a rally car.
You probably could. I mean, mine is not designed for like these bumps. Or the SBR4 is not designed for the bumps. Oh, jeez. Have you got a replay of this?
Oh, I forgot.
Okay. Wait.
Well, I mean, we can do another one for awesome marbles.
I know this one was for all the marbles. I mean, we'll do, we can get your replay in.
Yeesh.
Sun. Crying emoji. Sun. Sunyan. I'm close to you, but I'm not. I can't get right close to you, you know. Yeah, words.
Yeah, words.
English words. My NOS tank is nearly run out.
I don't have any.
That's because I sort of exploited a little cheat in the 400 horsepower rule.
Wait, 400 power in the NOS.
400 horsepower without the NOS, but you know, it's got to have a 400 horsepower engine. Never said anything about NOS. That was a little exploit on my part, but you know, the F students are the inventors.
And they are not, bro.
Okay, well then I'm not an F student then. How about that?
That's crazy, bro.
Bruv. Eat it, bruv, with a great
Back
sizzle.
in my day,
What are you talking about? What the hell are you talking
I'm talking about how back in my day,
What do you mean?
back in my day,
What do you mean?
back in my day, that's what I mean.
What do you mean? Yeah? Ah! Reset, please. Ah! I can't catch up. We don't have the suspension for it. Good.
How far away are you?
Oh my god, 1,700 feet.
That's crazy.
I hope you.
Well, I'm at the part with like the construction zone.
Yeah, I've just reached it now.
Do you remember that one time when I went straight through like the arm of the excavator?
Yeah, I'm literally going past that excavator now! Yeah. Oh, yeah, I do remember. Oh,
The rocks.
wallahi.
Say wallahi, man, say wallahi.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, approaching the like the off-road.
I'm going out that really
Say
long
wallahi,
straight
bro.
with the rocks along the side.
Oh my god, why is it spinning me out?
Go, go, gadgets.
I'm gonna make it. We need to make the floor a little bit faster, question mark.
No. Mud. Come on. Go. I can't be bothered.
Oh, you're 3,000 feet away from me.
Yeah, I know, 'cause
And I've done it! I've done it, I've won the video.
what do you mean you've won the video?
I made it.
I still got more rounds than you though. One. Still one more round.
But I thought this one was for all the marbles.
We never agreed on that.
Yeah, you did. Please, do the replay.
No. Even if I did agree, I wouldn't do the replay. But I didn't agree actually.
You're a phony.
No, I'm not. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video here.
Do this as a thumbnail.
What? Get the screenshot, guys. Get the screenshot for the thumbnail.
Yeah, screenshot.
Like and subscribe.